Hey, what is up, DCS Crew? Carlos back at it today, and I've got a mail call from my boy Austin over at Cur Knives. Austin, if you have seen some of my videos in the past, I've included some of his tools in my disassembly videos and just general maintenance. For those who don't know, Austin is actually the owner of Cur Knives, and he does some really badass knives. And aside from that, he does awesome tools like this bit set that I have here with a blackened brass tool, and all of these bits they're basically Weehaw bits. He has everything set up in a kit like this that you can get, in black and brass. You can get it in titanium. You can get a bunch of different versions. And he recently started something new that I went ahead and I ordered after he kind of, gave me a bit of a pitch as to what he thought my order should look like. So I'm like, okay, cool. And so I got this in the mail. I cannot wait to show this to you. This is actually the first time I am gonna see it, so stay tuned. We're gonna open this up to DCS from Cur Knives. Thanks a lot, Austin. Guys, welcome back. So let me go ahead and get this out of the way and make sure I got a little something to open this up here. I'll use something cheap. Here we go. Got my little knife. All right, so this has already been opened. I got this sticking out here. Okay, I see a logo. Okay. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna do a quick pass down here. And that did nothing. Probably because it's a soft ass Kershaw knife, right? All right. Let's see here. Oh, the suspense is killing me. Oh man, that is badass. Okay, this is actually the bottom of it. Let's turn it over and see what we've got. Boom! What? That is sick! Oh man, this is so badass. This is one of his EDC, I guess, takedown trays that he's actually been making for people. It varies in price depending on what you want to have done for your setup and the type of wood that you want to use and that sort of thing. It gives you space for your bit driver, or if you have a spare or anything like that, and also gives you, some space for you to be able to go ahead and take down your knife. So say it's out like this, you can work on it. You can put some of your stuff here. You can put actually don't have it here, but there is a spindle that actually comes with this that fits right here, and you can actually place your bits and stuff like that on the spindle and just place it here, and then place the driver right here, which is pretty freaking dope. I gotta say, that's pretty awesome. So yeah, this is the setup that I had done particularly for me. He was nice enough to go ahead and take my logo and actually put it on here. And if you reverse it in the back, he had it laser engraved into the wood in the back too. That's freaking sick, man. Wow. Dude, talk about freaking swag. I don't know any of my boys that have this, so this is pretty freaking awesome. I am definitely gonna start using this for some of my for some of my video. I gotta find a way to incorporate this into more videos. So, and I gotta bring out that spindle for this. In fact, give me a second. Let me see if I can find it. Aha! So I was able to find the, I guess the little pedestal or the spindle to be able to go ahead and place my bits on, and boom! It's a little snug, and it's going right in, and there it goes. It is not coming back out, guys. So there it is. So that allows me to be able to go ahead and use my setup and just kind of like pick something up. Well, pick something up and then just get going with it. And then once it's done, I can go ahead and put it back, place it with another one, and go ahead and keep going. This is pretty freaking sweet, dude. This is badass. I'm sorry, like I'm just I'm fanboying over this thing, man. This is pretty freaking awesome, I gotta say. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these will run you pretty cheap. I mean, considering like the quality that goes into this wood, and then just the mats and stuff that are inside, which are pressed in, by the way, or glued in pretty well. I might have to glue this just a little bit more in, but it's looking good. And this is all laser etched in here with my logo. I think that they range anywhere from 55 to like 85, depending on how exotic the wood that you're going to be using. And he's probably going to be offering more options in the future. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see what ends up coming out in store from them, and what kind of designs people are going to end up getting, you know, for their own individual setups. So I mean, I'm actually pretty interested to see what ends up going in the hands of people. And I'm sure that if you check out his Instagram, Cur Knives on Instagram, he's probably going to be reposting a lot of the things that you know, he sells people, and people end up posting for their own personal, you know, setups and stuff like that. So I mean, once again, dude, this is pretty freaking awesome. Oh, I got something perfect for this up here. Look at that. It fits like a freaking glove, guys. Wow, the Freedom Lube. I got a little bit of everything over here. Yeah, okay. Let me see if I can put my my little micro strap here. Holy crap. It fits like a freaking glove. Look at that. I mean, it's ready to go. It's ready to freaking go. Okay, I gotta put this to use, guys. So let me go ahead and take all this stuff off, and I gotta find something that I gotta take apart. What can I take apart over here? Okay, so I'm gonna have to let you guys go because I'm gonna get started to work on this. This is like when I was a little kid and I first got a Nintendo. I didn't know what to do. I just needed everybody to get the hell out of my room so I can start playing with this thing. So I'm gonna have to ask you all to just kind of let me be. You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell out of here. Go check out some of my other videos if you get bored. And just remember, if you EDC, pick a DCS. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot, Austin from Cur Knives, and I mean, dude, freaking sweet. You guys gotta check out his stuff when you got a moment. Take care. Peace.